Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making the best purchasing decisions without losing your mind or your wallet. Today, we're diving into the wild world of 3D printers. On the left, we have the QIDI Q1 Pro, and on the right, the Creality Ender-3 V3. Let's see which one of these bad boys will make your 3D printing dreams come true. First up, let's talk about the price. QIDI Q1 Pro comes in at a whopping $699. Ouch, that's a lot of dough. But hey, maybe it's worth it. On the flip side, the Creality Ender-3 V3 is a much more wallet-friendly $299. That's right, folks, you can get almost two Ender-3 Volts 3s for the price of one QIDI Q1 Pro. So if you're on a budget, it looks like Creality is already winning. But let's not jump to conclusions just yet. Next, let's talk speed. The QIDI Q1 Pro boasts a maximum speed of 600 millimeters per second and 20,000 millimeters per square second acceleration. It's like the Usain Bolt of 3D printers. Meanwhile, the Ender-3 V3 isn't too shabby either, with up to 500 millimeters per second speed and 8,000 millimeters per square second acceleration. It's like comparing a Ferrari to a Lamborghini. Both are fast, but one might get you that speeding ticket just a bit quicker. Calibration and sensors are up next. The QIDI Q1 Pro comes with full auto calibration and filament smart detection. It's like having a tiny robot butler making sure everything is perfect. On the other hand, the Ender-3 V3 has a CR touch sensor for auto leveling and a filament shift sensor. It's like having a robot butler's slightly less sophisticated cousin. Both are great, but QIDI's sensors might just have the edge. Now, let's heat things up with temperature control. The QIDI Q1 Pro features an active heating chamber that can go up to 60 degrees Celsius, 140 degrees Fahrenheit. It's basically a sauna for your filaments. The Ender-3 Volts 3, however, doesn't have this luxury. So if you're planning to print materials that are prone to warping, the QIDI might just save you from a meltdown, literally. How about ease of use? The QIDI Q1 Pro promises you can go from unboxing to printing in just 10 minutes. It even has a 1080p HD camera for real-time monitoring and time-lapse photography. It's like the Instagram of 3D printers. The Ender-3 V3 also aims to be user-friendly with phone control, Wi-Fi, and USB drive options. It's like the Swiss Army knife of 3D printers. Both are user-friendly, but the QIDI seems to have a bit more flair. Last but not least, let's talk materials. The QIDI Q1 Pro can handle a wide range of filaments, including PLA, PETG, TPU, ABS, and even carbon fiber. It's like the MacGyver of 3D printers. The Ender-3 V3 isn't far behind with its capability to print Hyper-PLA, PETG, ABS, TPU, and ASA filaments. Both are versatile, but QIDI might just have the upper hand with its wider range. When looking at the online reviews, the QIDI Q1 Pro is praised for its high-quality prints, advanced features, and ease of use. But some users find the price tag and certain design choices a bit of a drawback. On the other hand, the Creality Ender-3 V3 gets high marks for its affordability, speed, and reliability, although there are occasional concerns about quality control and customer support. So which 3D printer should you buy? If you're looking for speed, high-end features, and can afford the price tag, the QIDI Q1 Pro is your go-to. But if you're on a budget and still want a reliable, fast, and user-friendly printer, the Creality Ender-3 V3 won't disappoint. Either way, you're getting a fantastic machine. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, happy printing!